Section formula. So we are doing now. MX2, we are done the ratio. Yes. What is the section formula we are done? You like to go and join with them? Samir? Samir, join now. Section formula we are doing. Textbook we have given you this one. Oh, Salunke, tell me what is section formula you learn? What is the section formula learn? Very nice. Very good. No need to instead of revising, write 10 times now. Mx square. You tell. Mx2 plus nx1. You stand up from there. You. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, and y is equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m. Stand up, come here. Now. Now look here. In your textbook, in your NCRT textbook, it is given as x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Here the ratio is given as m1 is to m2 instead of m is to n. So both of them are same formula. Do not confuse. That is why I'm telling you. Okay. So it is coming as m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Either you do this one mx2 plus nx1, all same thing only. Okay, that is the one. So your illness is over or what? Still illness is going on. Little. What is that little one? Okay. Now, so while this one, Bhavya, when we do this exercise, you will come to know that answer and all. Okay, don't worry. Okay, you all are doing any practice? Huh? I have to send messages to parents. You send, sir. Huh? Very good. Where were you in the last lecture? Huh? Birthday means you should not come now. Birthday celebration was there. Party was going on, so you did not come. Amay has good, nice excuse. 5:30 he will come. Sorry, sir. And he will come every day. It's Saturday. Other days also. Sir, I have hours there. One fellow will come, sir. Bus is punctured. Then why? How many days you are absent? Is it on the second bench? Gauresh, you will be here. Quietly sit, okay? These all, look here, you people have got a 1st of August, exams are starting now. Oh, yes, I have updated. 4th August. So till 3rd August only you start revising, okay? Understood? No time for you to revise. Arya, what homework is done? Nothing is done. Huh? Why you late? You came late. Where is your friend? Not why? Not to well. Go sit down. So I have to mark everyone. Huh? Where? Yeah. School. I think it's better, send message or you will make you to stay back and complete the work. Better, no? Fine. Give it to him. Here. Section formula. Look here. If AB is a line segment, the coordinate of A is x1, y1. Coordinate of B is x2, y2. C divides. C is coordinate of xy. Divide AB in the ratio m is to n. Or m is to n or m1 is to m2. So n points are given. Ratio is given. To obtain the coordinate of x comma y, we have x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This is called the section formula. Are you followed? To obtain the point of division, we apply section formula. Okay, over here, if you want to find out the ratio, m is to n, we take it as k is to 1. Some question you may find what ratio. You take m is to n as k is to 1. Put in this one, you will get k. K is to 1. Suppose k is equal to 4 by 3. Therefore, the ratio will write 4 is to 3. Okay. Then, after that, we studied midpoint formula. What is midpoint formula? I didn't tell na. Because of you people, you started this chapter. And you people not learn. Yeah, very good. Examination, take the book inside and go. No? You. What is the meaning of midpoint? If C is the midpoint, m and n are equal, ratio will become 1 is to 1. Therefore, x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. What that is the midpoint formula. This is to find out. With the help of this one, we have done some exercise questions here. Hey, you have done any questions? Yes. What questions are done? 3 more questions or 3 questions? What one is done? Which chapter?
This one. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the points A, B, C, and D, as shown in figure. Champa and Chameli walk into the class after observing for a few minutes. Champa asked Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is well?" Chameli disagreed. Using distance formula, find which of the distance.
It is Champa Chameli. Anna. So find out the distance AB, BC, CD, AD. Okay. All 4 sides are equal. Then find the diagonal. If the diagonal is also equal, then it is square. Either choose a square, Champa agrees with Chameli. Not with disagree. Okay. You know how to find out AB distance formula. Same way BC, CD, AD. If all 4 are equal, then find the diagonal. The diagonals are also equal, it is coming as a square. The sides are equal and diagonals are not equal, it's called a rhombus. Okay. Any other problem? Alright. So you went for the test tomorrow. Okay, read the question. Question number 5th one. Okay.
PQR are the collinear points. P and Q are 3, 4 and 7, 7.
P is what? 3, 4.
Yes. Q is 7, 7.
Okay.
Respectively, and PR is equal to 10 units.
PR is equal to 10 units.
Show that the coordinates of R are 11, 10.
So to find out that one, you have to get the ratio you have to get. Okay. So for that one, we have PR. If I draw the figure, this is P, this is Q, R. Then we can find out PQ. How will you find out PQ? How will you find out PQ? Distance formula, na? How PR finds out? QR you don't have, na? So PQ, P and Q you have, na? Apply distance formula, the root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Simplify, root of 7 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square. Simplify. How many you got checked? How much? 7 minus 3? 4 square plus 3 square. 25, which is equal to 5. Therefore, PQ is equal to 5. PR is equal to 10. Therefore, you can find out QR now. How do you get QR? How do you get QR? PR minus PQ is equal to 10 minus 5, which is equal to 5. So this also 5. So both are 5 means what you can conclude? So right, therefore Q is midpoint of PR. So we will apply midpoint formula. For that whatever value x1 by 1 is equal to P 3, 4. X2 y2 is R, we don't know. Midpoint is Q x comma y 7, 7. Then use the formula x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Solve. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. Solve both of them, you will get x2 and y2. I hope you are following. Oi, Rituja, have you followed anything? Okay. Tushar, Melvin, are you following?
Yes.
Deepam is still unwell. What happened to her? Stomach pain. How many days stomach pain? School she came? At the school coming stomach pain. Classes only stomach pain. No?
Sir, how it became 5?
Why it's become 5? What happened? Huh?
The 4 square plus 3.
What is 4 square?
16.
What is 3 square?
9.
16 plus 9 is how much? Huh? 16 plus 9 is how much?
95.
So what do you know what is the root of 25?
Yes.
Okay now. Who got x2, y2? Only Anjali. Abhi also got.
Yes.
Fernandez. Going to get? Going. So get it fast. What happened? Still you can't see the board? Then do it fast now. Wait. X value we have 7. X1 3 plus x2 by 2. You got it? But you did not raise a hand. 14 minus 3 equal to x2. So x2 is equal to 11. Y is equal to how much? 7. Y1 is 4. 14 is equal to 4 plus y2. 14 minus 4. Y2 is equal to 10. Therefore, the point which on R, no, R is 11, 10. I hope you all got it. Okay, X2 and 1. Hello, Anna. I did wrong. Very nice, smart girl. Okay. Now, what is the problem? Now, what are you thinking? Array x1, y1, x1 replaced, x replaced. Huh?
We will take x and y.
Array this one q, what is the coordinate of q? 7, 7. Q is the midpoint. No? This is x1, y1, this is x, y, this is x2, y2. Okay now? Alright. Okay, this is the question number which one? 5. Next, Sanjeevani. 6th one. Read.
If 1, 2, 4, y,
1, 2, 4, y.
x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram. Take in order. Find x and y.
A is 1, 2. B is 4, y. C is x, 6. D is 3, 5. Okay. Yes, Sanjeevani. So we have to find out x and y. How do you find out? Tell now.
So section.
Section formula. What section formula? What is parallelogram?
Uh,
Up here.
distance.
Distance. So what is equal? Distance of AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. Stop writing. Listen. That way you will not get, because distance formula is correct, but you know equations degree 2y x square and what you get. There is a property of the parallelogram. Diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. That means if I join the diagonals with the distance formula, you will not get the answer. P will be the midpoint of AC and BD. Are you followed? What is it? P is the midpoint of AC and BD. Reason is what? Diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. So we will find out midpoint of AC as P, midpoint of BD as P. Then equate, you will get the answer. X will be equated. So right, figure is drawn. Draw figure and mark. Then after that start writing. Hey, do it fast now. Shall I tell? This girl is started making quick. Right. We know that diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, P is the midpoint of AC and BD. P is the midpoint of AC and BD. Now we are right for AC. P is equal to midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. That is equal to a1 plus x divided by 2, comma 2 plus 6 divided by 2. That is P is equal to 1 plus x cannot be simplified. 2 plus x is 8 divided by 2, which is equal to 4. Then for BD, P is equal to same formula, that is 4 plus 3 by 2, comma y plus 5 divided by 2. That is P is equal to 7 by 2, comma y plus 5 divided by 2. Those who are not followed, raise the hand. Nobody raising the hand. Now see, both are P, therefore from 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We are going to equate. 1 plus x divided by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. X coordinate. Y. 4 is equal to y plus 5 divided by 2. This is cross multiplied. 2 is cancelled. 1 plus x equal to 7. X equal to 7 minus 1. X is equal to 6. Here 8 is equal to y plus 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to y. Y is equal to 3. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. What we have got? Quick. Check what is done. So should be right ordered pair. 6, 3 should be right. And tell S or now. Is it this one? X is in C and Y is in B. So you cannot write ordered pair. Okay, this is the answer. X is equal to 6 and Y is equal to 3. All of you followed. Okay. Anjali, all right. Everyone. This is all. No? Oh, why oh? Call. No call. Call. You come this way. Now, next question. Anjali, read the question.
If A and B are -2, -2 and 2, -4 respectively, find the coordinates of point P on line segment AB such that AB is equal to 3/7 AB.
Draw the figure and try to find out. Can you do it? AP is equal to 3/7 AB. What is A?
-2
Huh?
-2
-2. And the B?
2, -2.
2, -4. AP is equal to 3/7 AB. We need the ratio between AP is to BB now. This is the condition. Therefore, what will be BP? 4/7 AB now. This is 3/7 means other will be 4/7. Yes or no?
Yes.
Therefore, what is AP upon BP?
3/2.
BP will be equal to 3/7 AB upon 4/7 AB, which is equal to 3/4. Therefore, M is to N is equal to 3:4. So ratio you got x1 y1 -2 -2. Then apply section formula and get the value. All of you. You got the ratio. Who will do? One is 3/7 means otherwise 4/7 no. AP contains 3 part means BP contains balance 4. Okay. There are a lot of ways to find out. Is a direct way. But we are going to do it and show me. Solve of B. Sudden. Huh? You do it now.
So this question.
Then x is equal to formula right and replace. What is the text? Go to that side and sit. No, the others doesn't need AC or what are you writing here? MX1, x1. That's wrong now. MX2.
X2. Will come with X2.
Erase that one, everything. Everything erase. Write formula properly. MX2, x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, and y is equal to d now.
Yes.
Then find out x and y. M is how much? 3 times x2 4 times what bracket? Why you need a bracket at all? Simply putting bracket. Array, remove all the bracket. Square bracket. You want it more and minus to put in bracket. Okay. Leave it. Divided by how much? 6 minus 8 by how much? Minus 2 by 7. So y find out. You can erase and write the other side.
So what you wrote there?
What you wrote?
3 and 3 by
3 by 4.
So x will be minus 1. Sir, x will be minus 2 only.
X is minus 2. How x is minus 2?
X2 is also minus 2.
X2 is minus 2. Can you see what is written on the board? What is x1?
Minus 2.
Minus 1.
Minus 2.
For x2? What the coordinate of P? Write down coordinate of P is minus 2 by 7, comma. Anjali got this answer
Yes.
or something else?
Yes.
Okay. All of you got this answer now? Yes or no?
Yes.
Arya got this answer? You are feeling cold? This one is telling Array, move to that side if you are feeling cold. You are feeling cold? So go to that side now. There is how much. Take the book and keep it to this side. I'll shift. Okay. Done. Problem solved. Then next question. This is question number which one? 7. Question 8. Okay. 8. Read.
Use analytical geometry to prove that the midpoint of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equidistant from its vertices.
Analytical geometry means coordinate geometry only. Okay. The proving sum now. Generally, this type of proving doesn't come in the exams. O, A, B. This is 0, comma 0. X1, comma 0. X, comma 0, comma 1. It's a right triangle. Midpoint of the hypotenuse P. P is the midpoint of which one? P is the midpoint of
AB.
AB. What is the thing you have to prove it? P is equidistant from all the vertices. Means you have to prove OP is equal to AP is equal to BP. Are you followed? Okay. Okay. P is equidistant from all the vertices. Where P?
Sir, BP and AP equals to equal to
Huh? We have to prove length of OP, length of AP, length of BP. All these three are equal. P is equidistant from all the vertices. Are you followed? Distance between P2O, P2A and P2B are equal. So we will use the distance formula. So draw the figure.
Sir, but it's already given that BP equals to PB.
Also right now what is the distance we have to find out.
Just find
So write down. Figure is drawn. Right. P is the midpoint of AB. P is the midpoint of which one? AB. Therefore, formula midpoint formula will apply. P is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That is x plus 0 divided by 2, 0 plus y by 2. Is x by 2 comma y by 2. So we mark x by 2 comma y by 2. What happened? Followed. P is the midpoint of AB, midpoint formula applied. Now, we will find out all the values. First is OP. Distance formula root of x2 minus x1 all square. Replace x by 2 minus 0. That is x square by 4 plus y square by 4. You want to write all divided by 4, right? By 2, if you want to write, you can do. Then, AP, without root of. LCM take x minus 2x by 2. That's also same thing. Then find out BP. Same method. Check all are same thing only getting. Therefore, OP is equal to AP is equal to BP. Hence, P is equidistant from all the vertices. Samir, you You wanted to tell something else? Then followed or not? Completed. Okay. Question number 9. Rituja, read.
And the coordinates of the centroid of a triangle whose vertices are 0, 6, 8, 12, and 8,
Do you know what I mean by centroid? Who's that? Yes, tell.
The point where the medians.
Points where the medians meet. Do you know what is the meaning of median? What is the meaning of median?
Divides the
Line drawn from the vertex to the opposite side.
This divides it.
Opposite side. Anywhere. To the midpoint of the opposite side. This is completed. All of you listen here. Let's say A is x1 y1, y2. This much is okay. Now, centroid is the point of intersection of medians. D, midpoint. E, midpoint, and down. Is a centroid. There is another property there. Centroid may divide median in the ratio. Anyone knows? Gaurash, you heard about anything? 2:1. First time hearing now. What are you writing to? 2 books? Huh?
Remaining
Remain?
last sum. No. Last.
Why is this one? You are sleeping out? Can you write fast? AC. What are AC? Huh? English is remaining. Half people are telling AC is required, AC is not required. Who doesn't need AC? You go to that side, okay?
How much should I go down?
Till the end. Now, Rituja on AC. Off. Completed now. Okay. Now look here. So, here AD is the median. Listen carefully. Therefore, D is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, we can find out D. How will you find out D? Midpoint formula. D is midpoint. Therefore, what will you get? X2 plus X3 divided by 2. Y2 plus Y3 divided by 2. This is the coordinate of D. This much is okay. D is the midpoint of BC. Now, to obtain G, we are going to apply section formula. M is this one, N is this one, and the coordinate. Therefore, coordinate of G is x comma y. We will apply x is equal to x is equal to mx2 nx1 divided by m plus n. Now check 2 times x2 plus x3 divided by 2 plus 1 time x1. Are you follow? No response. Are tell na m x2 n x1 divided by m plus n. You will see this and this is cancelled. What is left out? X2 plus x3 plus x1 means x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. This is x. Let's find y. My2 plus ny1 m plus n. Check what we get. 2 times y2 plus y3 divided by 2. 1 time y1 2 plus 1. Same y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Therefore, centroid formula is x1 plus x, either coordinate right or x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3. This is your centroid formula. This first and foremost thing is, this formula is not given in your textbook. Okay, so you cannot use this formula directly. This method can be done. Why I given this formula means MCQs you can use it. Method is clear. So you have to learn the formula also, method also you should know. Okay, write down. Right, figure draw.
So in this question, if we know the ratio of ms to n and even we can find out point D, then why can't we apply this section formula to point A and D?
So we are going to generally we applied now. We applied for point A and D now.
So
B is
without this formula also we can do it.
we are going to do without the formula. Okay, this formula is given for when the MCQs are not directly you can write the answer. Understood or not? Draw a figure. What happened to this girl? Huh? Find the eraser. Forget about eraser. Rough figure drawing. Oh, hello, hero. Figure drawn. Then write down. This writing I will tell you. First draw the figure and mark. Don't write this explanation. Draw the figure. Okay, right. A x1 y1. A x1 y1. One will tell yes done. What you who said wait? I am going to give this one. Did you draw this figure? I do not ask you to write. You know write now. A x1 y1.
You asked me.
I asked to draw the figure. B x2 y2. C x3 y3. A x1 y1. B x2 y2. C x3 y3. Written are the vertices of the triangle ABC. Are the vertices of the triangle ABC. Okay. Now below right. Centroid is the point of intersection of all medians. So, triangle ABC. Written Then alright, centroid is the point of intersection of all the medians. A point of intersection, POINT, point of intersection of all the medians. Half the people write your own stories. Written. All, ALL, the, THE, medians, MEDIANS, written. All of you wrote. Below, next line right. AD is the median. Written. Next line right. Therefore, D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. Bhavya, did you write this formula? You will remember this formula, na? Yeah. Then, next step right. Therefore, D is equal to x2 plus x3 by 2, comma y2 plus y3 by 2. Arey, what is it's written over here now? D is equal to. These are people I don't know. Did you write? Oh, very. D is x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. Next step, right? Centroid divides median in the ratio 2:1. Centroid divides median in the ratio 2:1. Written. Therefore, G is, write all these things. X value right, Y value right. This is the formula. Simply don't copy as it half things. G is below, after that x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Prithvija, are you writing? You also become third right forward. Now forget that, repeat. What happened? You tell me, I will explain.
Do you have to write that?
What? Write these all. Section formula applied. How the formula has come, you write down.
Side.
What side? Which side?
Side.
She's playing there. Did you write? Did you write? Oh, writing. Write fast. Now what happened? Hello, hero. What happened? What? Nine. Go and take it now. He's writing it now. Okay. Oh. And this is called the centroid formula.
So what is circumcenter?
That you are absent. That we, when you are here, we did or not? Circumcenter. How many days you are absent? Birthday 1 week.
No, just one.
So last class we discussed all these things. I think so. Circumcenter, last class already. You are here now, sir. Point equidistant from all vertices. AP equal to BP is equal to CP. First exercise was there when you did. That time, last question, what was it? Second last question. You are here or not? Then, Divyesh. Now what else? Huh? No. Did you write this one? So what is the centroid formula? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. What is the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Okay, now this formula will not be applied directly in the question. Lengthy questions will apply, but directly they ask. Over here the question is given. Who read this question? Who was reading this question? Don't know. Which monkey is reading this question? Centroid. Just now somebody read now, find the centroid. Who read? Huh? This is which question? Question number? 9. Who was reading 9 question? Somebody read 9 question. Who read? You read. Girl side somebody read. Nobody read. Find the centroid. Who read? You. I don't know, sir. I am not in this world, sir. Who read that vertices and find the centroid? Then I started explaining this. She is, sir. I am looking outside. Baji, how many Baji, sir, he saying. Machiwala. Huh? Read once again. I don't know, sir.
Find the coordinates of the centroid of a triangle with vertices are 0, 6, 8, 12, and 8,
8 comma. So second one 8 comma 12. Third one.
8, 0.
Now, if you want to apply the formula directly, you can get 0 plus 8 plus 8 divided by 3, 16 by 3. And second one, 6 plus 12 plus 0, 18 by 3. You can get it, but that is not. You have to write the steps. Figure draw. Even this one, if not required, also. Round the figure. Then, write down. AD is the median. AD, right? Figure drawn. I will draw for you. How will you draw? How many times? Why did you read this one? I am doing this question one time only. How many? Right. Drawn. AD is the median. Therefore, D is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, D is equal to 8 plus 8 divided by 2, 12 plus 0 divided by 2. Midpoint formula applied. 8 comma 6. D is the midpoint of BC. This is 8 comma 6. Did you write? Now, next line write. Centroid divide median in the ratio 2:1. Centroid, did you write this one? Oh, yeah.
No, sir.
Then write faster. Earlier did you write? Did you write here?
Yes.
And then write next step write. Centroid, time getting over. Centroid divide median in the ratio 2:1. Centroid divide median in the ratio 2:1. Therefore, x1 comma y1 0 comma 6, x2 comma y2 8 comma 6. Who is talking again? M is to n. Those who don't know tell me 2:1. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 m plus n. Y is equal to my2. Not very lengthy, but 2 times you have to use the formula, that's all. That is m is how much? 2 times 8 plus 1 times 0. 2 plus 1. 16 by 3 x. Y 2 times 6 plus 1 times 6 by 2 plus 1. 12 plus 6, 18 by 3, which is equal to 6. Therefore, centroid is equal to 16 by 3, comma 6. This is direct method. Formula is different. Are you following DBS?
Yes.
Bhavya, how many cutting painting is there? Huh? Anything followed? Sure. Your revision now. What is your plus 60 plus 65 plus, no? What plus? That's not good. Chalo, all right. How she is? She said that? She did not tell. Chalo. Remaining of the yeah. Homework practice daily 10 sums. Then after that, I will ask you to do this homework exercise.
उसको वो एमबीबीएस वाले सर मुझे पूछ नहीं समझा तू पहले हंसने में बोल सुना एमबीबीएस वाले जो सर सर आपने आने पैसा भी आवाज पर करते हो अरे आनंद वाह क्लास में अरे सुनना क्लास में बैठे थे जगह पे पीछे बैठा था मैंने बैठ जगह से